All right, here we are, part 3, y'all. We're back out. I'm just doing like a test fit of the clamping of the wing. I told you we're going to use the table to project the top flat straight surface, and then we put this end up just so we can get it all lined up, you know. What we're doing now is taping the front together. We'll probably do the same thing on the top after we put the glue in, before we go ahead and put this thing down in place. And we're checking our template to make sure that it's actually in the right shape, so to speak, you know, and we look really, really good. We're seeing a little bit of a difference here in the back. You can see about a 1/16 of an inch or so, maybe just a little short. Could be the trim of the paper that is actually a little off, but we're not off by that much. Let me get you right in there. So it looks real close. I mean, we really can't ask for much more than that. We're boosting it up in the middle here and holding the front of it down. So I think this particular surface looked good with our template before we tried to get it clamped in place. So you see what the edge of this is actually going to project everything flat, straight, and square. Once we get the glue in there and this thing goes off, that thing's going to be solid, man. There's going to be no messing around with tweaking and moving it. It won't be twisted end to end, you know what I'm saying? Should be good to go. So now that we got this thing squared away, we know what we're going to do with this. I'm going to go over and clean up the end plate on that other one and remove the silicone from the inside of that one as well, because it's really in no better condition than the other one. You see that ridge here? That's all silicone, man. RTV. Somebody glued this back together with RTV. You see, I'm just pulling it right off. It comes off clean. So I'll get in there and remove all that stuff and scratch it up real good with a file or something, just to be sure that we got a good bonding surface. I'll go ahead and wire wheel all this because you're not going to see it anyway. And then probably get some 80 or 36 grit, just get some good scratches in this aluminum too, and we'll just glue it right back in place. So we'll do this one and the other one at the same time. So we don't have, I got two of these cartridges of the glue, and I've got 2 mixing tips for each one. We really don't want to use more than 1 mixing tip if we don't have to, because once you use them, the glue gets mixed as it goes. That's what the mixer is in there. It winds up the part A and part B, and this ends up going in the garbage because the glue's in there mixed up. It hardens up, so you throw the tip away. But you can keep the end of it clean, keep the part A and part B separate, and it won't harden up on the end, and you can continue using it till it's gone. So that's it, part 3, done and done. Let me get to working on the other one, get it prepped up, get glue on everything, and get out of here. Get inside and get the videos up for you. All right, hang in there, folks. We're getting her.